make sure these are all, yeah. Thank you for getting us started. All right. Good morning, Shari. I was just talking about you, love. Here we go. First powder bomb. 1, 2, 3. I have baking soda boxes for $5. They're pretty big. Like not the small boxes, the big boxes. Good morning, No. I'm glad the sound is better. Oh yeah, I said about your love for pine glow. Someone said I added pine glow, and someone said it's so underrated, and I said it is. Shari's the one that got me hooked on it because she always asks for it. I'm so glad you love it. Thank you for the heart me. Good morning, Goddessy. If I miss anyone coming in saying hi, I'm sorry. Sometimes it's hard to see when they're pinned comments, but it's not intentional, I promise. Thank you for the heart me. It's okay if you take a nap. I fall asleep during so many lives. It's so relaxing. Focus. Hey. I smell OG Comet right now, since that's what I just put on. This can right here is our last can of powder. We do have, get real close. Okay, there we go. All right, Jasmine, have fun at your meeting. We'll see you when you get back, love. Hey, Bessie, I'm so glad you're here. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. I will have none of that slander of Comet in here. Comet is my favorite smell. Good morning, H. I smell Foca and Comet right now together mixed. It smells so good. No, you're okay. So far, it is lemon, pinalin, and pine glow that's in here. I hope you're doing good, H. Hope you had a good night. Ajax early. I have some Ajax. It's just never, a lot of people don't ask for it here. So I only buy like 15 cans at a time until I run out. My favorite powder is OG Comet. I just restocked, so we have 90 cans of Comet and 5 cans of Ajax. Yeah, I do not love the smell of Ajax at all. Thank you. Good morning, beautiful. How are you this morning? Oh, OG comment. Ajax is icky to me, but OG is so good. I do add toilet bowls. I love Tidy Bowl. Right now I pulled out purple and blue Tidy Bowl in case anybody wanted it. But yeah, I add it. Aw, congrats on the new job. How much is what? My morning's going great. So happy to be in the sink and squeezing for you guys. Oh, toilet bowl cleaner? It's 2. So it's 2 a bottle for both purple and blue. I mean, they're each. So, but I have 2 purple out here right now and 3 blue, in case anybody wanted them. All right, let's add a little bit more liquid. Yeah, my Cash App's in my bio, but it's Sarah, S-A-R-A-H, McCready, M-A-C-R-E-A-D-Y. One more. Call in sick. I have something important to do this morning. Yes, and I have PayPal as well. Thank you, H. I forgot. Oh, thank you, Coley, for pinning that. Oh, I'm so glad, Kate. We have like half a can, so I'll just kind of put that. All right, that was the last of our can. We have tons more cans if you want to add. Here we go. I love powder. Oh no, I hate house cleaning day. I mean, I clean every day after this, but big house cleaning day is no fun. Good morning. Hello, Soapy. How are you this morning? Yeah, we have tons of powder. I restocked. We have 90 cans. No, technically 95, but 5 of them are Ajax. I'm doing really good. Happy to be in the sink. Oh, I love Soapy Sunshine. All of these sponges are from her that are in the sink right now. Oh, thank you, Cooley. All right, let's do some more Foca. You're welcome, love. Fabulosos, everything. Tidy bowl, I have it all. I have the pink stuff. I believe I have the pink stuff, like toilet bowl cleaner. Yeah, everything I can access. Oh, I have pop too. Yeah, my stash is pinned to my page. And then I put a new video, what's on my counter right now. Fabric softener, every single dish soap, Solvo. I have liquid laundry. Right? I'm trying to think. I'm like, I don't have what's hard to find. I even have oil, however you say that, and I have blue or orange Ajax. I have colored less oil. Hey, knee cleans. Yes, I come prepared. Come on over, girl. Soapy has her website in her bio. These are all Soapy Sunshine. This is Big Mama. She just dropped black and red, and Big Mama's amazing. My favorite, one of my favorite sponges. Literally everything in every sponge. Alright, this is the last. Of course, love. Work away. This is the last of the powder. Hi, Ash. I want to say I love all the Big Mamas. Like I love both, period. But I also love my checkered Quisp. It's like this, but smaller and pink. I just love that sponge so much. And I also love the puzzles. It's really hard to pick one because there's a bunch I grab for often. Good morning, Powder Puff. Hi, Bunny. Good morning. I just got that squeeze in my eye, like right in the eyeball. Alright, let me add the rest of this Pine Glow. The blue ocean Pine Glow. Alright, that was the last of everything that was paid for so far. So we are open to sends. We have a ton of powder. Oh yeah, I'm good. Just burn for a second. Good morning, Rosie. You're so welcome. Thank you so much for sending and getting us started. Someone asked. No, you can never go wrong with soapies. What doesn't make sense? Yeah, it's all the questions we get asked.